Meet Coach Max.
Some things heal. Some things just stop hurting.
He holds his forearm for a moment, not in pain, just in recognition. Meet Alex. He was the athletic one. One day he scrapes his forearm on the ground while playing. The coach sees it from across the pitch. He doesn't rush over. He knows that moment. In the changing room, the athlete wraps his forearm with a standard bandage. Then coach asked,
"How long are you planning to do this?" "It's just a scratch, Rhys." "That's what I said too."
The coach rolls up his sleeve, shows his forearm.
20 years ago, I did exactly what you just did.
I thought closing it was the same as healing it.
20 years of carrying what 3 weeks could have fixed.
Your body already knows how to heal this right.
It just needs the right signal. The athlete peels back the bandage, places the disc gently against the wound. Same training ground, same athlete, but 2 weeks on, they're moving freely.